Signs that the PCV valve is failing. When a car's PCV valve, emission control valve, is failing, the vehicle is likely to emit various warning signals. Below are some of the possible signs that could indicate a problem with the PCV valve. 1. Loss of power. A faulty PCV valve can cause a blockage in the crankcase ventilation system, which can result in decreased engine power. 2. Increased oil consumption. If the PCV valve fails, the pressure in the engine crankcase may not be regulated properly, which can lead to increased oil loss. 3. Blue smoke in the exhaust. This symptom occurs when oil is burned together with fuel in the combustion chamber, which may be due to a malfunction of the PCV valve and increased pressure in the crankcase. 4. Unusual vibrations. A faulty PCV valve can cause increased pressure in the crankcase, which in turn can cause unusual engine vibrations. 5. High fuel consumption. If the PCV valve is not working properly, the air-fuel mixture may be affected, which may result in increased fuel consumption. 6. Unusual engine sounds. A faulty PCV valve can cause unusual engine noises, such as knocking or squealing, due to inadequate pressure in the crankcase ventilation system. 7. Emissions problems. A faulty PCV valve can affect the vehicle's emissions, which can result in it failing the vehicle's MOT. In addition to the signs mentioned, it is important to note that a faulty PCV valve can also cause other problems such as the buildup of sludge and debris in the crankcase ventilation system, which can affect long-term engine performance. It is essential to keep in mind that the PCV valve is a crucial component of the vehicle's emissions control system, so its proper functioning is essential for engine efficiency and the reduction of polluting emissions. Repairing a faulty PCV valve usually involves replacing or cleaning it, depending on the type of failure. It is advisable to go to a certified mechanic to perform the necessary tests and determine the problem with the PCV valve, as well as perform the appropriate repair. In conclusion, it is important to pay attention to the possible signs of a faulty PCV valve, as its malfunction can negatively affect the engine performance, fuel consumption and emissions of the vehicle. If there is any sign, it is advisable to carry out a timely inspection and repair to maintain the vehicle's good operating condition.